start with the great name of Allah, who is most merciful and kind. My name is Shahab Shani from Sindhu University campus, Larkana, batch 2K19, roll number 40. My subject teacher name is Ma'am Kuratul and Gopa. My topic is data structure. First of all, introduction to the data structure and algorithms. Number 2, graph. And number 3, complexity analysis. Number 4, graph traversing algorithm. What is data structure? In computer terms, a data structure is a specific way to store and organize data in a computer's memory so that these data can be used efficiently later. Data may be arranged in many different ways, such as the logical or mathematical model. For a practical organization of data is termed as a data structure. Number 2, what is a graph? A graph is a pictorial representation of a set of objects where some pairs of objects are connected by links. The interconnected objects are represented by points termed as vertices, and the links that connect the vertices are called edges. Formally, a graph is a pair of sets where V is the set of vertices and E is the set of edges. Connecting the pairs of vertices, take a look at the following graph. Number 3, complexity analysis. A technique to characterize the execute time of an algorithm independently from the machine, the language and compiler. Used for evaluating the variation of execution time with regards to the input data. We are typically interested in the executed time of large instance of a program. This is the graph. This is the pic of a complexity analysis example. Number 4, graph and traversing algorithms. In this section, we will see that is a graph, data structure, and the traversing algorithm of it. The graph is one non-linear data structure that is consists of some nodes and their connected edges. The connected edges may be directed or undirected. This graph can be represented as VE. The following graph can be represented as like that. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.